good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, depending on what part of the road you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Sounds, coming at you with another double unboxing. Quick wristwatch check. I'm indeed wearing the Seiko Alpinist. Been wearing this one all weekend, haven't taken off the wrist. But these are a couple pieces that came into me. The first piece is the California Watch Company watch. This was kindly sent in by the company themselves. I had won it via Instagram. A buddy of mine had tagged me and 5 other friends, and they were kind enough and gave away 6 watches to us. So that's where this first one came from. I've never really heard of the company before, so it'll be pretty cool to take a look at something different. Now, the second one I kind of did unbox. This is a Casio Royale. As the title states, this is the Casio Royale. This is a steel case, I believe, with the mod. This is part of Random Rob's Patreon group. This is a tour watch. I believe this is one of Rob's personal watches. I believe. Correct me if I'm down there. Correct me if I'm wrong down there, guys. This is pretty cool. I believe you can get these mods off of like AliExpress or somewhere like that. I have to do a little bit more research, but it kind of gives the Casio Royale a whole new look and whole new feel. Look for a full review coming up with this guy pretty soon. Pretty cool look. I really do dig this. It kind of classes it up a little bit, I guess you could say. Not that it's a bad looking watch. I still say that's some of the best $30 I ever spent on a watch is the Casio Royale. As you know, I do have the stock version, which I will show in the video review side by side. And here is the California watch. Again, this is a company, I kind of feel like they do homages to a lot of different watches. Like this one here, it kind of reminds me like a Nixon chrono kind of. If you guys know Nixon watches, that's what it kind of reminds me of. And if you look on their website, they do definitely have a lot of homage watches. Pretty cool company overall. Nothing too crazy. Nothing. I don't believe these are really expensive. I think around $180, $200 somewhere around there using the quartz movement. So nothing too crazy, guys. But still appreciate the thought, and thanks again, Zach, for tagging me in that contest to win. Look for a full review of these guys coming up pretty soon. Again, like I said, this is just a quick little unboxing, guys, just to show you what I got incoming on the channel. I know this weekend I wasn't real active, kind of took a little bit of time off, so now I'm going to be cranking out the videos again this week. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.